welcome. My name's Gemma. Today we're going to be doing standing wide leg forward fold, Prasarita Padottanasana. This is a great inversion for getting the blood flowing to the head and to get that really nice stretch through the back of the legs, as well as helping you with that posture. So start by taking your feet so that they are about the same distance as where your wrists are when you take your arms out as a start. Bring the toes so that they're slightly turned in, heels out, and then place the hands on the hips. It's really important we keep that nice straight back. So take a nice breath in, stick the chest out, and then lead with the chin, lead with the chest, forward, fold. If your hands do not touch the floor for any reason, you can take a book or a block, place the hands of whatever level suits you, pressing down into the book or the block, making sure that you've got that nice straight back, using a mirror to help you if you're not sure. What's quite nice is then to use the breath as you exhale to hinge further at the hips. You can relax the head down. If you want, you can take your hand to heart center. Inhale, take the arm up into the air for a little added twist. Exhale, come down, swapping hands, taking it up to the other side. Really important to be grounding down through the blades of the feet, down through the heels. Switch the thighs on. Don't let them be all relaxed. You want them to really be working this stretch here, lengthening through the spine. A nice little modification as well is to use a chair. So taking the legs wide and then using the chair to make sure that you've got that nice straight back. You use the couch to hold on to, rather than finding yourself rounding through to get the hinge from those hips instead. Breathing in, breathing out. Take your final breath wherever you are. Bring the hands to the hips, ground down through the feet, and then inhale all the way back up to standing. Then heel toe in, all the way back to the start.